ChatGPT can write essays, AI can generate images. But how do you connect these abilities to your own data, apps, and workflows? That's where LangChain comes in. LangChain is an open-source orchestration framework that helps developers build applications with large language models faster and easier. Launched in 2022 by Harrison Chase, it quickly became one of the fastest-growing open-source projects on GitHub. Why? Because it gives developers a common toolkit to build with nearly any LLM, whether it's GPT, Anthropic, or open-source models from Hugging Face. LangChain works like a set of building blocks. Chains let you connect steps together, like asking a question, retrieving data, then generating a response. Memory gives your app context so it remembers past conversations. Tools and APIs allow AI to fetch real-time info, run calculations, or even pull data from Slack or Google Drive. Agents take it further, letting AI decide which tool or step to use next, planning tasks and executing them one by one. Before frameworks like LangChain, developers had to write complex custom code to integrate LLMs into apps. LangChain simplifies this with pre-built modules and a flexible interface, so you can swap different modules or prompts without rewriting your program. It's not just about chatbots. LangChain powers intelligent search engines, summarization tools, research assistants, and AI agents that automate multi-step workflows. By 2025, LangChain has grown even more powerful. It now integrates seamlessly with vector databases for long-term memory, supports LangGraph for multi-agent workflows, and offers LangSmith for debugging and monitoring applications. Together, these tools help developers scale prototypes into production-ready AI apps. LangChain isn't a model. It's the glue between models, data, and applications. By orchestrating how AI interacts with the real world, it turns raw model intelligence into useful product. If you found this explainer helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more deep dives into the tools shaping AI, keep learning with the Knowledge Academy, where learning becomes addictive.